Hi, this is Teacher Fikri. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to do this activity, sitting while reaching object. Sitting on the chair while reaching object on the table with grading, prompting, visual. So for those of you who don't know, prompting means to guide or to assist. So, how can we assist our kid to do this task with visual? So what you can do is to draw out the steps so that they can know that what to expect. For example, sit and then ready with raise and then reach and then take. That's it. Okay, ready? Let's turn around. Okay, what you need to do? Sit, forearm raise, reach, take. Ready? Set, go. Good. So this is example for visual.